Big one. Big one. What is up, everybody? Fish Hawk here. Hope you guys are having an awesome day. In this video, I'm doing some river fishing for smallmouth bass. It is going to be a beautiful day, supposed to get up to about 65 degrees and be mostly cloudy, so great fishing conditions. The river behind me is absolutely gorgeous, so hopefully I can catch some. Stay tuned. Real quick before I get into the fishing, this video is sponsored by topfishingdeals.com. Link in the top of the description. It's a website that lists all the best fishing deals on the internet in one place. Rods, reels, line, anything you can think of. It's going to save you some money. You're going to get some great deals, so make sure you check it out. Thank you guys for sponsoring this video. Fish on. What we got? What we got? Oh man, daggone creek chub. It's a fish though. First fish of the day. Man, they are some slimy, nasty fish. I was hoping I had a smallie. I don't know if you guys can see it or not, but there's a huge dam up there, and it's a long ways up there, but I'd really like to get up there and fish below it, so see what happens. There's a fish. Aw, man. Not another one of these guys. Come here. At least something's biting, I guess. Not the species I'm after. Fish one. Hey, that's the species we're after. Oh my gosh, there's a bunch with him. That's the species we're after, guys. Not a big one, but it's a start. Pretty little guy. See you, buddy. Today I'm starting out with this little Keitech swim bait on a 1/8 ounce jig head. I'm gonna be throwing it on my 6'6" medium light St. Croix Premier rod. I have a Dawa Fuego 2500, and I have 8-pound test P-line fluorocarbon. I could get away with 6-pound, but I had 8 pounds spooled up, so that's what I'm using. Oh, whatever I got is nice. Oh, it's a nice smallie, guys. Nice smallie. Come on, buddy. Come on. Come on. Oh, yeah. He freaking inhaled that thing. That is what we're after, guys. Look at that. Freaking buried right in the roof of the mouth. Popped right out too. That is what we're after, guys. That's a quality smallmouth right there. Fought super hard. Just absolutely gorgeous fish. Oh, I freaking love these fish. Mwah. Got something little. Well, maybe not. What we got? Ah, dang it. One thing's for sure, they are loving this Keitech swim bait. There we go. Look like another creek chub. Yep. This one's a little bigger though. Oh yeah. Casting it upstream a bit. Just real slowly. Back downstream. I'm giving it a little action. The water's still pretty cold, so I'm not trying to go crazy on the action. Just a couple little twitches. I really wish I had 6-pound test on so I could cast farther. What I could do to cast farther is put a heavier jig head on. So I'll look in my bag for one, and then I can cast out to some of that deeper water over there against that bank where that cliff is. There's one. What do we got? Come on, please be a smallie. It's fighting like one. Oh, what the heck? Looks like a catfish. No? No, it's a smallie. It's a nice one too. Oh! Holy moly, guys. Now that's a nice smallmouth. Look at the freaking belly on that thing. Wow. Get some pictures of this guy in the release. I'm gonna see if I have a little bigger jig head, that way I can cast a little farther. All right guys, I'm back in action with a little heavier jig head. Let's see how this works. Ah. There's one. Oh, that's a nice one. No, stay down. Come on. Come on. No. Come on. Gotcha. Whew. Holy crap, guys. Look at this fish. What a freaking beauty. Yes. Pretty much the same size as that last one. Wow guys, I'm having a blast. Those are some quality smallmouth bass. They are crushing that Kitech swim bait. And I have a lot more water to fish. I haven't even got up to the dam yet, so maybe there's some bigger ones up there. I'm gonna keep fishing and find out. One thing's for sure, this Kitech is getting worn out, but I have probably caught 10 fish on it, so it's not too bad. Got him. Oh, it's a little small jaws. Just a little feller. I think it's time to put a new swim bait on. I have caught a ton of fish on this one right here, but it's just, you can tell it's all ripped up and tore up. It's not staying on, but I think I got my money's worth out of that one. Here are the swim baits I've been using. Kitech Easy Shiner 3-inch Silver Flash Minnow. Well, nothing out of this hole. I'm gonna keep working my way up to the dam and see what happens. I'm really surprised that I didn't get any fish out of this hole because it's gorgeous. I mean, there's some nice current, it's deep, some really steep banks over there. Looks like a perfect spot for one, but just didn't happen. All right, made my way up a little closer to the dam. Gonna try this section right here. A little faster current. I don't know if they'll be in there, but I'm gonna give it a shot. There's one. Got something. Ah, it's a creek chub. Dang it. Thanks for splashing me, man. Come on, smallies, where you at? Fishing one. Holy crap. What do I have? Oh, it's a smallie. Heck yeah. Not a monster, but I'll take it. It's been slow past couple minutes. Heck yeah. He felt a lot bigger than he was. He was in that strong current. But man, what a beautiful fish. All right, buddy. Be free. Pretty much all the fish I've caught has come from slower moving water. I'm fishing this faster water right now. Haven't had much luck. The one smallmouth that I did catch was over there where there's a little eddy. So I think the fish are hanging in the slower moving water today. I fished at this spot for probably over a half an hour, so I'm actually gonna go up to the dam, at least check it out. I don't know if I'll fish up there or not. It looks pretty shallow, but I at least want to check it out. I mean, it's awesome looking. Fish on. Ha-ha! Oh, it's a nice one too. It's a nice smallie. Oh yeah, guys. Look at that. Right over there against that cliff. All right, one fish out of this spot. I would fish over there because it looks really, really good, but there's someone fishing over there, so I'm not gonna roll up on their spot like that. I'm gonna head back downstream to where I started this morning and see if I can pick up some more fish. Here's the spot I was fishing earlier. Let's see if there's still some fish in here that want to play. Fish one. Whatever it is, it's big. Oh my, it's a smallie. Come on, buddy. Come on. Stay on. This thing is fighting hard. Holy crap, it's barely hooked. Oh, let's go. Let's freaking go. Holy crap, guys. That's what I'm freaking talking about. Barely hooked. Guys, look at this hook. Look at that hook job. He's barely hooked. Look. Oh my gosh, popped right out. Look at that freaking bruiser. Holy moly. One last look at this beast. Got him. Felt that one. Oh, another smallie. Oh, he threw it. I think my arm was blocking the camera too. That was awesome. Came right up in front of me and spit it right back at me. But they are freaking loving this swim bait. I'm gonna have to buy some more. I'm only on my second one. All the fish I've caught today has been on those swim baits, and I'm on my second swim bait, so they held up pretty well. Surprisingly, kind of thought the Kitech was fairly soft and wouldn't hold up very well, but it's proved me wrong. Oh, big one. Big one. He freaking hit like a ton of bricks. Oh, this is easily the biggest one. He's not getting off. Famous last words, right? Holy crap, guys. Absolutely freaking slaying. And I lost my Kotek. Man, you ripped my Kotek off. Hooked right in the corner. He wasn't getting off. Look at that freaking bruiser. All right, guys, that is going to do it for today. I had an awesome day of fishing. I had never been here before, so I wasn't sure what to expect, but it turned out great. I'll definitely be back to this spot. All the fish that I caught today were on Kotek swim baits, and all the information for the gear I used will be down in the description if you guys want to check it out. If you guys are new to my channel and you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the subscribe button and also give me a thumbs up. It'll really help me out. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you so much for watching. Fish Hulk out.